Hi everybody, it's Deb from D&D Art Gallery. Today I have a 16 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas. It is a used canvas. There was a painting underneath that I did not like. So what I did is put a base coat of Blick black over it. And today I'm going to do a dirty cut pour, and let's go over the paints. I have, for my white paint, I have Dutch Boy Platinum Acrylic Enamel White, half of it, and the other half is Artists Loft Flow Acrylic White. My next color is Artists Loft Silver. Then I have the Blick Black. My next color is Amsterdam Ultramarine Violet. My last color is a combination of Artists Loft Metallic Purple and Blick Deep Violet. And I did put a little bit of black in this color to darken it just a tad. So I'll show you consistency. Leaves just a little mound. Okay, pouring medium today is 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. Squirt of GAC 800 was added to all paints. No silicone is used today. And I did have to thin the paints a little bit with my normal 90% water and 10% Floetrol mixture to get the consistency I wanted. I may have some negative space today, and that's okay. I'm hoping to get maybe some pearl cells with the silver and using the Dutch Boy enamel. So let's get started. I'm just going to use 1 cup and just layer my paints. I'll just pour down the side today. I haven't done just a plain old dirty cut pour in a long time. So I thought, why not? Let's just go old school and bring it back. Okay, got my cup all full. Let that sit there for a few minutes. I am going to spread some silver around the outside here. Just curious as to what will happen with this. Okay, and I think I'm just going to bring the cup right up. I'm going to tip a little bit before I torch. Go off that edge and bring it back. It's going to go off this edge now. And bring it back. Now I'll go off this edge. And bring that back. I'm trying to save those silver cells in that corner. They're so pretty. Okay, and I just have this far corner here now. Looks like I'm just going to have just enough paint. And I'll bring that back. Okay. And take a look at it here. Check out the sides over here, corners. I think I'm going to tip it a little more this way to get some of this corner off a little bit. And now bring it back. Take another look. I do have some of that cloudy effect going on right here. And I'll torch it, see what happens. Okay, clean off the bottom here. Okay. Just a little more tipping here. Okay. One more torch. Okay, get you down to see what you think. I just love purple colors. show you how the silver is dispersed through the whole painting here. Here's the upper left-hand corner. There's some of that cloudy effect right there. Lower left-hand corner. And that black really stayed true black cells there. That's pretty right there, the black with the little purple cells in it. This is pretty up in here too. Different shades of purple. You can see the silver in the background there. And in there, a lot of silver going on in the background. And this is the lower right hand corner, and this is where I got some lacing that I think is very pretty. Purple lacing there. And there's the upper right hand corner. Okay, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up or like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, choose all so you know the next time that I do post a new video. And until next time, take care everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye.